The rifle this morning, trying it with the new 1105/2Y motor. It's about 5,000 kV. I intended to run it on 3S, but pulls way too much current and wattage, so running it on 2S this morning. Got the APC 4.5x4.1 prop, about 270 watts, ElectriFly 1800 milliamp 2S battery, 25C. Got to launch it pretty much directly into the sun this morning because of the way the wind's blowing, but there's virtually no wind out here anyway right now. But walk across the runway, get set up where I like to stand. A little foggy this morning. Got some more fog blowing in here. Very nice flying on 2S. It's lightweight, a little more nimble. Flies a little bit more like a sport plane than an all-out speed plane. After the previous flight, the maiden on 2S, I checked the motor temperature and it was only about 75 degrees. That was a few minutes after the flight, but there's my 3-minute timer. I'll go another 30 seconds or so. Power off. Bring it in for landing here. Put my up elevator mix back into it. I'll go around again. Very gentle flyer at this weight with 2S.